I'm here to teach you how to play the game in the river, on the bank. I played this with my students last summer in summer school, pre-COVID, and they loved it. What you do, all you need is a line or a rope, anything that has a left or a right side that they can jump over. The left side would be the river, the right side would be the bank. So I would tell them, I would scream out, in the river, they jump to the left, in the bank, jump to the right. Both means you put one foot on each side, and since we live in Florida, I use the term alligator, and they have to put one foot in front of the other. During this video, you will see various family members of mine, and I will see if I can trick them. They're pretty good, so this is going to be a challenge, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and stay safe, everyone.
River, bank, river, river, both, river, bank. 1, 2, 3. River, bank, bank, river, both, alligator, bank, river, bank, river, river, both, bank, alligator. Ready? Mm-hmm. River, bank, both, alligator, river, bank, bank, both, alligator, bank, river, river, bank, 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 both, river, river, alligator, bank. Good job.
River, bank, river, bank, bank, both, river, bank, river, bank, both, bank, river, bank, river, bank, alligator.
I don't remember what I'm supposed to do.
River, bank, river, bank, both, alligator. Good job.
What's this alligator?
River, bank, river, both, river. River, bank, river, bank, river, bank, river, bank, both, alligator, alligator, bank, river, alligator, river.
Keep messing up. You're better than me.
Alligator, river, bank, bank, both, alligator, both, bank,
Bank, okay.
river, bank, river, bank, alligator,
Oh, wait.
both.
Bank, river, bank, river, both, alligator, bank, river, river, no, bank, both. Good job. Good job.
and my nieces for their collaboration on this video, and I hope Dr. Abraham likes this video. Thank you, everyone, and God bless. Thank you for watching.